Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to public likes on X. So if you're wondering how to make your likes public on X, then the truth is that actually you can do that. Since 2024, X made all likes private by default, and unfortunately there is no settings. There is no option in your settings to make them public once again. So when you go to your profile and enter your likes section, this is the page where you will see all posts that you have ever liked, and this view is only visible for you on X. Nobody can access that, even your followers and non-followers users. I mean, nobody can go here and watch and look out all the posts that you have liked. But still, if you want people to know what you enjoy on X, what things are you into, then in this case you will need to retweet some kind of post or quote it or repost. So let's go to some kind of post, and you want to tap these two arrows in square icon and select one of those two options. So you can select repost or quote. Let's select, for example, repost, and go to your profile, and you will see this reposted post in your posts section in your profile. So yeah, that's the only solution if you want people on X to just see what things you like. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.